Mayday, 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 Mayday. This is motor vessel Seastar, Seastar. Our position is 14 degrees, 35 minutes north, 128 degrees, 58 minutes east. We are taking on water after a collision, required immediate assistance. There are 12 persons on board. We are abandoning ship. Mayday, Seastar, over. Panpan, 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 all stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Blue Horizon. Our position is approximately 5 nautical miles east of Corridor Islands. We have engine failure and are drifting. We requesting towing assistance. There are 8 persons on board. Panpan, Panpan, Blue Horizon, over. Security, security, all stations, all stations. This is Coast Guard Station Manila. Navigational warning in effect. Floating debris reported in the vicinity of Manila South Harbor entrance. Vessels are advised to navigate with caution. Security, Coast Guard Station Manila, over.